SoFi is moving today, guys, up around 6% as I'm making this video, and we're breaking back over $12 per share. We're looking good, guys, as all the indexes are moving, so we have to do an update on SoFi, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, what I am doing now with my position, plus more. So hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subs, and guys, get your 30 stocks for Moomoo. Deposit at least $100 using that link down below. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. Get this, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer, and the clock's ticking. Check out the link down below or go to stocks.surfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of your coffee, guys, and let's dive into it. So we're moving. Like I said, SoFi is now back over $12. We're up around 5.5% on the day, and check it out. We're pushing a fresh high on the week. We're at, like I said, $12, which we got rejected at yesterday and the day before. But look at this. We have an ascending triangle, do we not? I mean, look, we have resistance at about 12.15, but we're making higher lows into that resistance. You guys can see right here, boom, we put in a higher low this morning at open, and in the pre-market, we put another one in yesterday at close and after the bell. You guys see that? And this one right here, we hit 1036 back on the 10th. So that was on what, Monday? So we're looking good. This looks bullish, guys, heading into next week, which I don't expect this ascending triangle here to play out today. But ultimately, man, next week, if we take out 12.15, which is a big resistance this week, right? We hit it today, yesterday, the day before. If we're able to get out of there, SoFi could take off like no other, right? Let me show you some levels that SoFi could be going to if this triangle plays out later today, which is unlikely, or, next week. We might be going back to 1280. 1280 was a big resistance about 5-6 days ago, end of last week, right? That could be where this goes. If that were to break, we got a wide open gap to the mid-13s. You guys see right here, 1350. That was the high, it looks like, from the 4th of March to the 6th of March. If that were to break, $14.90 is a target, $15, which you guys can see that was the level from the beginning of March. And let's not get ahead of ourselves here, guys. Obviously, we're not fully breaking out yet, but I'm just painting a picture here of where we could be going as things are lining up pretty nicely right now for the bulls. Again, with this ascending triangle, and on top of that, we're above both moving averages on this 30-minute chart. We have a golden cross as well. So initially, if we take out 12.15-ish, 12.20, this is the target I'm watching for next week. Forget about 13.80, forget about $15 for now, baby steps, right? So this is what I'm watching for next week right here. This window right here from 12.15.20 up to about 12.80, 12.75. That could be a tradable window here, whether it's call option, shares, whatever. Of course, trade at your own risk. Do what you got to do, guys. But that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking at in my trading account. And you guys know in my long-term account, I own this stock. I'm in it at a cheap price. I've owned it for about a year and a half now. And I'm very excited about this company long-term. And with that being said, I'm also looking to trade it. I think a lot of people out there, they're like, oh, I can't trade a stock if I own it as a long-term investment as well. And I say, why not? Why not? I mean, you can do that. You can have, and I like having separate accounts for trading and long-term investing. I don't like mixing the two because then you might make some stupid decisions, if you have all your stocks in one account, or maybe not. Maybe you're able to, compartmentalize things like that, in the same account, whatever. But I like having separate accounts, right? A long-term, or I have like 3 long-term accounts. I got a trading account, 2 trading accounts, so I'm like, hey, if we take out 12.20, I'm going to be buying up some calls here, maybe some shares, short-term shares to capitalize on the momentum. And I've already been buying shares in my long-term account on the dip overall. And you guys know I'm looking to sell cash secured puts. Haven't done it yet, to be honest, but I'm eyeing up the $9.50 strike, $10 strike, collect some premium while I wait for this thing to figure itself out. And if it gets to $9.50, $10, where I would buy it anyway, I'd buy my shares with the cash secured puts. I'd be obligated to do that. But again, I'd do it anyway and collect the premium. Why not? Why not do that? So for me, guys, I'm bullish SoFi long term. In the short term, we're not fully breaking out yet. We're still trading under this 50 SMA on this time frame here, which you guys got to keep an eye on. But I'm telling you, man, and this is the 4-hour time frame, by the way. But I'm telling you guys, if we take this out, $12, $12.75, $13.50, this could be within striking distance. And that's where I think some short-term money could be made. Keyword is could. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. Please, please, please do your own research. But yeah, that's pretty much it on SoFi. Nothing too crazy. A great day for the stock as every index is moving. To give you guys some perspective here, we have the Russell up 2.1%. The S&P's up 1.7. Pretty good day for the S&P. Very good day for the S&P. And QQQ, let me pull this up, is pushing, excuse me, guys, 2% in the green. So very good day for stocks. But even these indexes aren't fully breaking out quite yet. In fact, we're still under the 50 SMA on this 4-hour chart here on QQQ, which needs to break. That's why my alert's at 482. And same thing here on SPY. SPY is up around 1.7, looking pretty good, 1.7%, but still under this 50 SMA on the 4-hour time frame, and it needs to break, I'd say 565 to 570 before we really start to get a breakout. So I'm going to set an alert here on SPY. I forgot to set it earlier. I'll do it at 567. Mark is at or above 567. If that breaks, yeah, more upside could be coming on this. And again, if QQQ breaks this key level, 482, more upside could be coming for that. And you guys have to realize, if these indexes start to recover, get ready for a sea of green, at least in the short term. SoFi's most likely going to go crazy, right? A lot of these other growth stocks are going to go bananas. Nvidia is already going up a lot. This is great heading into the GTC conference next week. So all eyes are on a bunch of stocks, but most likely Nvidia, or most importantly, Nvidia and the indexes. We're all eyeing up QQQ SPY, the levels I just mentioned. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Smash the like button. Join the free email list. Link down below where I send out my top stocks every single week for free right to your email, and get your 30 stocks for Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.